like the music playing. We're off to the Taj Lake Palace, guys. This is the city palace where we're going to, and we'll be staying for the next 2 days. Anniversary and birthday at Taj. So that is where we stayed. That is the Uday Vilas, and this is where we're going now.
That on top of the mountain is the Monsoon Palace.
Home for the next 2 nights.
1961 में बना था ये, उसमें उस समय 40 रूम थे।
और ताज के पास ही था?
नहीं, महाराणा साहब ने खुद ने 10 साल चलाया, 1961 से 1971 तक। 71 से ताज को किया था ये,
और तब से ताज के पास
71 ताज के पास है, और फिर ताज ने इसको रूम बढ़ा दिया।
So beautiful. 1746 is when this was. This was the summer palace for the king. Wow. And that's where the king lives now. This is also a Taj property. Uday Vilas has about 87 rooms, and this has about 83 rooms, and almost all are lake view, of course. This has more greenery, of course. This is obviously a lake centric.
ये भी ताज का?
ये भी ताज का है।
Welcome with rose petals everywhere. This is the reading rooms.
Every evening you get to witness the Rajasthani traditional folk dance and start folk. Timing will be from 6 PM to 6:45 PM. You can join us for the dance session. The pond, because the pond has been designed on a lily flower shape. Legendary Hollywood movie Octopussy by James Bond was partly shoot over here.
Oh, really? Wow. Okay.
However, you can sit here, relax,
Yeah.
read books. Really don't expect we have a garden inside.
Yeah, I know. That's what I thought. There won't be any garden.
There's a surprise for you.
Yeah. Wow. Look at the Lakeview pool. So beautiful, guys. Look at this. Stunning. So much character. It's magical. It's breathtaking. My God. I'm loving Taj. Oh yeah, that's the boat, right? That's the spa boat.
Glass cork heavy, which is originally handmade.
Sorry?
Handmade.
Handmade, yeah? Beautiful. Very nice. Thank you. Wow, it's so beautiful.
So this is the
You will
palace.
love the view.
Oh wow, it's really nice.
This is the palace view, is it? This is the palace, right?
Okay, just get aside. Wow.
Very nice.
Thank you.
Thank you. Guys, just giving you a quick room tour of the stunning room. So obviously because it's a heritage property, the room's size is small, but look how beautiful. There's so much character in this room. And guys, that lady just told us that this is literally the best view because it overlooks the city palace. Look at this. What a view. This is my view for the next 2 days. Absolutely love. I'm gonna be sitting here all day. This is what you take the boat ride for. Cute little table. This is the bar. Wow. The front one, yeah. Yeah. Oh, they've managed to pull a tub also. Wow. I can just sit here all day, guys. This is so beautiful. It's like I'm on a cruise. That's where the king actually stays right now. Gosh, look at these birds. Beautiful. It's so serene, it's so beautiful. Thank God we decided, thank God we didn't get the Uday Vilas for 2 more days and we got this because I think we got the best of both. While Uday Vilas was beautiful, but this property has its own charm. It is magnificent. All the rooms are all around and the garden area is in the middle. I can see the mountains also there, and this is the city palace. So guys, both of us are the sorts who love to travel. We both love to try out new places, and Udaipur has been part of our travel checklist for a while. We were actually contemplating between Maldives and Udaipur, and honestly, I'm so glad we chose this. There's so much history, so much character, so much calmness, so much beauty and heritage in this place that I think we will definitely repeat it. It's gorgeous. And okay, guys, quick outfit change because my husband is in white and I wanted to wear white. No, actually, why I'm wearing this is because it's so hot that that mango dress that I wore for a while, I was feeling super duper hot in it. We're off to lunch, and what do you guys do when you want to touch up your makeup? I did my makeup in the morning very subtle. What do you guys do? I don't ever touch my base because I feel a little bit too much and it will look like a clutter. And I think I'm fine today. Obviously, you get a little tired facing the sun and everything, but tint all the way. Loving the Face Shop tint. I've put on some lip balm on my lip color because I felt my lips were drying, of course, because of the heat also. I think there's a lot of heat dehydration happening here. Usually what I do when I want to touch up my makeup, add some blush to freshen up the flush of blood sort of look. My hair-wrapped hair are going on pretty well. I'm surprised that my hair-wrapped hair are actually fluffy enough to be carried off for the third day. Wow, you know, that is why I love this product, guys. Look at my hair. Usually they get really oily and stuff. It's my lunch.
So there's falafel, there's pita, there's baba ganoush, hummus, labani, olives, vegetable, lavash, and kebab. Thank you so much. And just walk around. It's almost sunset time. Chal.
ये कॉटन के ऊपर होता है, ये तो पुराने जो टुकड़े जोड़ करके बनाते हैं ना, टुकड़ी वर्क। We are exploring the local market of Udaipur. I always, whenever I travel to a new city, I try and explore the local. I wanted to really explore what Udaipur crafts, handicrafts, fabrics and all of them are. So I showed you around. There are some really beautiful dohars, bed covers.
It's so pretty.
ये से heavy है?
हाँ सर.
Hey guys, so just getting ready for dinner. This is the anniversary night dinner and of course the birthday eve. The food is fabulous. Like, I have shown you guys the meals that we've had at Oberoi's, and while that is good as well, but oh my god, I think we've had the best gnocchi. We had Italian for lunch today and the food was fabulous. I'm wearing a really simple black dress from H&M. We've done 3 boat rides so far and every time it's been magical. One in the evening, one in the afternoon, one in the night time as well. Guys, the lights of the palace are spectacular. Both color coordinated in black. It's the Bobbi Brown shimmer brick, pretty much broken, but I like the way it gives a very nice natural bronzy glow to the face. I'm using the Fenty Beauty lipstick. I got this from Italy. It's in the shade Thick. I think it's a really pretty shade and it's matte and beautiful. This is my makeup look for the night. I think I'm gonna wear the Swarovski hoops again. This is how they look. Yeah, I think that this looks perfect for the night.
She saves me from myself. Spin the world. She's my sunshine.
Hey guys, we just had a really nice dinner. Guys, definitely Taj food is much better. We're just walking around. This is amazing area where you can have a long walk. It's so serene, some amazing music playing. Oh, the entire Udaipur is right in front of you. And perfect end to a night and bringing in my birthday. So yes, that's what we're doing. Look at the music, it's stunning. Good morning. It's my birthday morning and always super obsessed and excited about my birthday. I think if you've seen my earlier 2 birthday vlogs, you guys must have guessed I'm a little too obsessed about my birthday. So yes, this is another birthday morning. Oh my god, time is flying. Age is just a number. To growing healthier, wiser and fitter is my motto for this birthday. So I picked out this really beautiful Zara dress and I absolutely love it. I'll link it down below. This is part of Zara's new collection, so it's definitely available. Beautiful accessorized earrings. My bhabhi gifted them to me. I absolutely love them. All the jewelry that has been gifted to me years back is getting used now because I've started wearing accessories now. I used to never wear them. I used to just wear my studs and I was sorted. So guys, the hotel people gifted me this umbrella which my daughter is going to love. So this is for her actually. Even the Udaivilas people gave us a gift, a small box, very nice handcrafted box. Such a cute gift and a nice memorabilia for this beautiful place. We went shopping yesterday guys
Honestly, I didn't know what to buy. I wanted to see some Jaipuri bed sheets, something for the house, some artifacts, some painting. I picked up a very cute lehenga for my daughter. So I bought this set of 5 dolls, one in each. It's like a very old, ancient sort of a handicraft toy for kids. I picked up that for Seher, and I picked up a really pretty lehenga. Her favorite song is Ghumar, and she likes to like twirl around all the time. So I think that lehenga, she's gonna wear that lehenga and do her Ghumar dance. A glimpse of this lehenga. This is the lehenga that I got for her, guys. So pretty, guys. I love it. Heading to City Palace. I'll show you guys around. See how the flowers are falling? Breakfast to the view.
तो ये इनका हाउस है अभी रहते हैं।
सर यहाँ वो जो देख रहे हैं ना 3 गेट्स, उससे भी आगे एक गेट और है, वो दरअसल नॉर्दर्न एंट्रेंस है। उदय सिंह जी जिन्होंने बसाया, राणा प्रताप आए, अमर सिंह जी आए। उदय सिंह जी से एक पहले और थे, राणा सांगा, who had a battle with बाबर। अच्छा, है ना खान दादा। तो ये जनरेशन सर ये लड़ाका था। एक चेयर की चेयर which is facing to east, वो वास्तु के कारण से, ठीक है। फिर सुनिए मैम, सभी दरबारी लोग staff, they used to dump their silver, gold and brass coins here. Then they used to offer this money from here to there in a one specific way. अगर मैं दरबारी हूँ, आप राजा हैं, तो I'll keep my money over here and I'll just put it in front of you. You will keep your palm in this way. Oh, this was the system, this was the protocol, this was the dignified way to present the money. Because being a king, how can you obtain money from me as a layman? Now, as it was the place utilized only for the ladies, and now suddenly you're coming out and you're finding this kind of a terrace. This was the idea. तो sometimes एक तो सबको पता रहे कि कौन हमारे आगे का है। Glass. Stunning.
Beautiful ladies room.
All the ladies used to do all the programs outside through the classes.
Wow.
Leisure time, they used to spend there.
Handbags, 100 rupees. See this is nice, also nice one.
Side bag.
Will your eyes still smile from your cheek? Darling, I will
take me into. We had a very long day. My birthday has been quite busy. We had this huge tour of the city palace. It was breathtaking. It was beautiful. So much character, so much history, and so beautiful. And the guide was really nice. We went shopping for a bit, and I always end, like a mother's heart, I always end up buying stuff for my daughter. Absolutely love this dress. I will be sharing another video where I'll show you guys all my outfits. Otherwise, it's an endless video, guys. As we are heading out, we'll be viewing the beautiful sunset. Just like my view right now, actually every view is beautiful from the room where we're at. There was a local market right behind the palace. So this is the kurta that I got for my daughter. It's damn cute. I think she'll look really pretty in summers. This is a very pretty printed Jaipuri kurta that I got for my mother-in-law. So I picked up a small painting. They've packed it up very well. It has a really beautiful peacock, intricately painted. So I bought that for my house. We had such a nice evening. Magical performances by these Rajasthani folk. I love to immerse in the culture of a new place. Everywhere I travel to, I like to go local and explore places. Ready to go, guys? I think this looks really nice.
Thank you.
Walks like these, oh my god, guys, last night at Udaipur, and this walk and this music is everything. This is the perfect setting. We've been walking for the past half an hour and it's just magical. Just this music, this walk, this weather, it's so pleasant, and just taking a walk here. Mornings like these, waking up to this flute. Stunning. Good morning guys, it's our last day in Udaipur and we're just having breakfast. I've shown you guys the beautiful setting. We're sitting in the garden and I love this space. I just got a grilled sandwich made. My husband is having chole bhature because it's our last day. My trip has been really nice, like way better than I expected, to be honest. Rajasthan is stunning. I always knew that, but Udaipur has a charm of its own and it is so beautiful that we're definitely coming back. Both these properties have been really great. And if I have to choose, it's very difficult, but because of considering it's a lake city and considering the charm that this Taj Lake Palace has, I mean, I would highly recommend a stay here. This is amazing. Even Uday Vilas is beautiful, big lush gardens, great property. But Taj also guys is stunning. The food here is absolutely amazing. Service, food, views, everything is amazing. So yes, that's it for this video guys. I really hope you liked it. I'll link everything down below in terms of where we stayed and stuff, so you guys can see. Thank you so much for watching guys. We're about to check out guys, signing off from this Udaipur trip, and I'll see you guys later. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching. This beautiful stunning place. Off we go. Bye Udaipur. This guy entertains us every time we reach this jetty.